This video will show you a new application that our district is launching called the Individual Career and Academic Plan, or also known as the ICAP. You will be able to access the ICAP, and the ICAP is just a planning tool that we are launching for students where they're able to choose their courses for the next school year and come up with a plan for what they're going to take. It is just a planning tool. It is not going to be used for enrollment, just to help plan for enrollment. So as a teacher, in order to access it, you would log into PowerSchool. You'll see this toolbar, and then you would click on your ICAP 4-year plan. As a teacher, you will then be able to sign in with your Google account, and you will have access to your advisory or mentoring students, and you'd be able to see their individual career and academic plan. Once you get into the system, you would need to know which letter of the alphabet your advisory or mentoring group starts with, and you'd be able to click on that letter, and you could either search for a particular student, or you could choose from a list. Once you're there, you're going to click this button to open the ICAP. And once that ICAP is open, this is what it looks like. As a teacher, you'll be able to view your student's plan. So the first tab here is the planning tool, where your students will be able to choose courses. They'll click on an Add a Class button and be able to select the courses that are available to them for the grade level they're enrolling in and develop a plan for high school. The Current Progress tab will then show what they've currently taken. We have a section for the current year requests. In case they request something that they don't get into, they'll be able to look at that for the next year whenever they're planning their courses again. There's a career path and goals section where they'll be able to choose a career path, a cluster, and they'll work through this part of the ICAP through some advisory lessons or with our counselors. Same with the post-secondary goals. This is an area where they'll be able to write some short-term and long-term goals as they go through their high school career, and hopefully this page will start to serve them well as they're applying for different colleges and their applications for scholarships, or even developing that first resume. In addition to these sections, we also have a student notes section. This is where a student could type in that they want to attend Summit Technology or Herndon Career Center or Cass Career Center, or maybe that they want to take an online class over the summer. So any additional notes they could put here that wouldn't pop up in the selections for them, they're able to add on the student notes. The ICAP section at the top just goes through where their plan gets them towards graduation requirements. So if it's orange, it means that they're in progress. If it's red, it means they haven't started or they haven't received those credits yet. If it's green, it means they already have achieved the graduation requirements needed in that area. In addition to this video, there's also an ICAP teacher's guide that can walk you through each section. Thank you.